Okay, welcome back to 12 JNS Prospecting, to another great episode of Ice Cold Gold. Guys, as you can see, there's ice and it's cold. Trying everything I can not to get wet. And I'm hoping this video actually records, because I've had some issues with my GoPro lately. Footage just doesn't appear where I know it should. And I'm just shoveling through all the stuff that flooded into my hole here. Okay, so bad news. Gloves got wet. So now I'm like, do I keep them on and chance freezing my hands, or take them off and chance freezing my hands? So I stuff my hands in my pockets, and I've been working on this little thing. I've just been shoving rocks over here with my feet, trying to create like a little riffle. Since all this water is now forced to go this way, since it's not going over there, I'm now gonna make this into a little sluice box and see if it's something I can proof the concept on here. Ow. Something sharp in my boot. Ow. Ow. Nothing from the exterior because there's no water leaking in. Oh, that's sharp. Must be like a piece of wood or something inside my boot. Just taking big old rocks. I'm just pushing them right there. Try and get this to act like a sluice box and a little defense, because I know last year after I learned that there are turtles in here, I don't want that same close encounter where I almost lost a toe because of a snapping turtle. They blend in so well, but I know it's too cold for them right now, but never hurts to be so cautious. I'm just kind of dragging my foot across here. Gonna put the rocks. So hopefully any gold caught in this high water flow comes in, gets caught in these rocks. You know, like a riffle. So I'm thinking that since I'll be doing my primary amounts of digging here until I can get this cleared out, that if I do decide to put the box in the near future, it's going there. Right in there where it's really turbulent in through there. So I want to get back to digging, so I can go inside and warm up and prepare for the Super Bowl. Go Pats. Okay, just as I'm going through, I'm just kind of picking out stuff, because I'm probably going to grab a rock crusher in the near future, but pull out some iron stuff. Okay. Yeah, buddy. That's a bucket of 2018 right there. That'll take me a while to go through, obviously. I'm going to do a lot of classifying, but at least that'll hold me over in the coming days when it's going to be super cold and 6 degrees, and so that'll hold me over. Now, the reason I went with the half-inch classifier is because